This is the Motorola Razr 2022, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So the first step that you need to take, is to connect your device to the Wi-Fi. As you probably know, you cannot get Fortnite directly from the Google Play Store. So in order to, download and install the game, just open any search engine that you'd like. I'll go with Google. Then type in the Fortnite APK query. Then among the search results, go for the official epicgames.com website. Once the web page gets loaded, tap on the download the app from Epic Games hyperlink. After that, confirm that you would like to download the file anyway. In my case, it says download again, but if this is your first time downloading the installation file, it will say, download anyway, trust me. Then open the Files by Google application. Then go for the, Downloads folder or category over here. You'll get this little installer looking like so. Tap on it, confirm the installation. As you can see, the Epic Games launcher has been successfully installed. It did not appear on a home screen, which is not a big deal. I will still find it at the app drawer. So launch the Epic Games, then tap on the black Get button located in front of a Fortnite. Then click on this yellow install button. But, first of all, we'll wait until the Fortnite will be downloaded, of course. So, as you can see, once the download process has been finished, and prior to starting the installation process, the system requires that we allow Epic Games Launcher to install unknown apps or install apps from unknown sources. That we can do by going for the settings option and switching on this toggle. Now confirm the Fortnite installation. After that, launch it. And all that it's left to do is for you to wait until the Fortnite game will download all necessary updates, resources, etc. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.